Heat waves have a way of making us feel totally desperate. You are sitting there sweating through your shirt, and suddenly a perfectly timed ad pops up on your feed. It promises a device that cools your entire room in seconds. No heavy lifting, no drilling holes in your walls, no professional installation fees. Just pure icy bliss for a fraction of the cost of a central system. This is the exact moment we need to talk about the Mirover unit. It is the latest gadget taking over the internet with big promises of being a plug-and-play solution that both cools and heats your space. It sounds like a dream come true for anyone living in a stifling apartment or stuffy office. But we have to look past those glossy videos and see what is actually happening behind the scenes. This specific website is incredibly new. That is usually the first red flag that should make you pause. When a brand appears out of nowhere with a low trust score and prices that seem way too low, your alarm bells should be ringing. Most of these devices are not actually air conditioners in the traditional sense. A real air conditioner needs a way to vent hot air outside. It uses a compressor and refrigerant. If a device does not have a bulky hose or a window connection, it is likely just a small fan or an evaporative cooler. Those things just blow slightly damp air around. They do not drop the temperature of a room by 20 degrees in a matter of minutes. Experts will tell you that even high-end portable units are often the last resort because they just are not as efficient as the real deal. Then you have the issue of the reviews. If you go to the official site, everything looks perfect. Everyone is happy. Every rating is 5 stars. But the moment you step outside that bubble to check independent forums or verified review platforms, the trail goes cold. There is almost zero feedback from real people who have actually used it for more than a day. This is a classic tactic used to create a sense of urgency. They want you to click that buy button before you have a chance to think it through. They talk about whisper quiet operation and massive energy savings, but these are just buzzwords designed to hit your pain points. Is it a flat-out scam? Well, it is hard to say for sure without a mountain of evidence, but the warning signs are stacked up pretty high. You have a brand new site, vague technical details, and marketing that feels a bit too polished for what is essentially a small plastic box. If you still feel like taking the risk, please use a payment method that offers strong buyer protection. Do not just hand over your card info to a site that was born yesterday. The truth is that staying cool usually requires a bit more than a cheap gadget you found on social media. Take a breath, do your homework, and remember that if something feels like a miracle, it is probably just a very good marketing team at work. We see these trends come and go every single summer. One week it is a magic cooling box, the next week it is a revolutionary heater. The pattern is always the same. They use high-energy videos and limited-time discounts to bypass your logic. If you really want to beat the heat, you might be better off sticking to a high-quality floor fan or a window unit from a brand that has been around longer than a few weeks. It is always better to be skeptical than to be stuck with a piece of plastic that does nothing but glow and hum. It is your hard-earned money, so treat those flashy internet ads with the suspicion they deserve.